There you go, YouTubers. Today we're going to install a snorkel on a Ford Ranger. These new snorkels here seem to be the craze. They look pretty cool. So these are all the bits you get. It's a sort of do-it-yourself kit, DIY. Got all the instructions, everything you need to do, pictures, all the above. Pretty straightforward for anyone that's got the know-how of do-it-yourself stuff. These are my tools of choice today. These grinders here, definitely worth it. Yeah, this is the mob here I'm running with. Each to their own with your own snorkels. Everyone's got their own choice of preference. I chose these guys because they were high up on the guard and they didn't affect my flares when you're cutting into it, which suited for what I needed. We'll come over here. I've already half prepped it. See, I got my flares here. Something's a bit loose, but basically it's all prepped up here with a template. I'll just tape that on. I've pre-cut this one out already. Need to cut a little bit more out from what the template reckons. It needs to come up here a bit more, or down here. Either I'll have a look which way I'll go with that. But yeah, that grinder was a go. I basically drilled a couple of holes here, and I believe I drilled one up here, and then I just did a big cut up there, and then slowly did a nice traced edge along there, and then slowly peeled all the pieces out. Took a little bit of mucking around, but went alright. So yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah. Okay, we got it all together now. Come along nicely. It's not too bad. A little bit of messing around with it, but yeah. Once I clean everything up, should go alright. See what she sounds like, guys. Probably sound better when we drive down the road and she spools up a bit. But black on black definitely looks the goods, guys. Don't forget, anyone else wants to taught themselves like I did. I don't know if you can see down there, but make sure you silicone around that. If you don't, that actually allows air and dust and water and whatnot go through. So if you go to put her in a drink, it will suck water through there. So make sure you silicone that up real good. Yeah, a bit of a messing around, but once she's all on, she looks good. Hope this helps somebody else out trying to do it themselves. If it does, chuck us a like or give us a comment if you think I should have done something better. Or yeah, thanks guys.